Anyone can become president, but when it comes to the finance sector, anyone, but you stand a better chance if your parents were in banking,
well,
according to the Guardian.
Yeah, which is unfortunate for social mobility because presumably finance jobs are more highly paid. There's a lot of inbreeding that goes in finance. I'm in finance, trust me, I know there's a lot of inbreeding that goes on. There's a serious problem here is if you're blocking out merit, if you're blocking out people accessing it for the sake of social mobility. And let's look at ethnic minorities. I found statistics from the Resolution Foundation who've done ample research on this. You're more likely from an ethnic minority, never mind in finance, but more broadly across society, to have a temporary contract and be paid less for the same work, even if you've got the same qualifications and you factor out things such as qualifications and allow for merit, you're still likely to be paid less. Now, in finance, that seems like it's going to be even more exacerbated. Now, this is not good for the financial services industry because there's research to show diversity leads to better results for companies, for corporations, all the rest of it. So a lot of negativity. How do you resolve it? How do you change it? You, I guess, keep pushing those who have never thought of those careers, those who don't get access, to apply. Keep applying. If you're watching this and your parents are not in finance, apply. Trust me, it's a bit like politics. You couldn't do any worse than the people in financial services are doing at the moment.
Although we're still in a period of growth, so let's not talk them down too much.
No, well, listen, I went through the credit crunch. I talked them down at every opportunity I can get my hands on. Just don't go into TV presenting. Ben's happy where he is. Doesn't need the competition.
Thanks very much. I'm not sure what that says about me and your opinion of me, Alpesh.
Well, very
thanks
high.
very much.
They won't get in.